Getting into an accident is stressful enough, but understanding how your insurance company, like Geico, handles a totaled car claim can make it a little less overwhelming. Let's break down step by step how Geico pays when your car is considered a total loss. First, the process begins with the incident itself. You're in an accident, and your car is damaged. Step 2. Geico will assign a claims adjuster. This person is the key to your claim. They'll inspect the damage to your vehicle and determine if it's a total loss. A car is typically declared totaled when the repair costs exceed its actual cash value, also known as ACV. Step 3 involves valuation, where Geico assesses your car's fair market value. They'll consider factors like your vehicle's make, model, mileage, overall condition, and any available optional features. They'll also research comparable vehicles currently for sale in your area. The goal is to arrive at a fair market value for your car just before the accident. Step 4 is the payout calculation, the part you've been waiting for. Geico commonly will pay you the vehicle's fair market value, as determined in Step 3, minus your deductible. Your deductible amount, as specified in your insurance policy, will be subtracted from the fair market value. For example, if your car's ACV is $15,000 and your deductible is $500, you'd potentially receive $14,500. Understanding this process is important, so you know what to expect if your car is ever totaled, and being prepared can help make the claims process smoother. Remember to gather all necessary information and review your insurance policy carefully.